Hi, I'm Mr. Rusin, one of the instructors of the Manufacturing Technology Program here at PCTI in Wayne, New Jersey. This year we're producing 2 parts for NASA Hunch. We're producing an actuator, which is a part for the single stowage locker, and then we're also producing a Cam 90 part, which is part of the handrail system. Students face many challenges producing these parts. They have to meet print requirements, they have to measure and follow blueprints, specifications for material, as well as the operation of the machine. This is a great experience for the students, something that will last with them for the rest of their lives and in whatever career path they choose.
In this program, from freshman year to junior year, we are able to learn about the basics of hand tools, machine tools, and the fundamentals about manual machining. And we also use and create blueprints to produce our products.
In this program, we learn many different aspects of CNC milling and CNC lathe and implement those skills into the flat hardware products that we produce.
Our role in the NASA Hunch program is to create the actuator and the Cam 90 for the stowage locker and the handrail system.
The critical quality assurance portion of our task is as important as the manufacturing side of the portion. If the parts don't meet the proper specifications, they can't be sent to NASA.
Once the parts have been properly inspected, they're bag tagged and sent to NASA for further testing.
The students should be very proud. Their work is extraordinary, and we really appreciate all the support from NASA. Thank you, NASA Hunch.